This market is on fire. It's averaging well over 1,000 ticks.
I've created a complex but easy to use indicator that can make a lot of money for you. Hello, my name is Mark from DynoTrading. It doesn't matter whether you have 100 bucks or 1,000 bucks, whether you're a newbie or a professional trader, it can help all of you. So let's dive into the video. My first short of the day, you can quite clearly see a gorgeous picture-perfect retracement setup show up right there. All right, so you can see here STP number 1, that stands for short take profit number 1, dump the first half of my trade. And for me, it was enough to make at least a little bit of ticks on the opening short trade of the day. Those of you guys that are following along at home, this is a T-bar speed of 20 on the NASDAQ using our gorgeous volume indicator. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch. Call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo. Really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading.